Hello बच्चों, the question is which of the following is incorrect regarding vasectomy? So vasectomy is a method of contraception and it is known as the surgical method because it involves surgery, and it is also known as the sterilization method in case of males. It is called sterilization method because the chances of reversibility is very poor. So male or the female which undergo these methods of contraception, there are there are no chances of having a baby in future, so they become sterile. So sterilization methods. So in case of male, the sterilization method is called vasectomy, and the word tomy means cutting. So it involves the cutting. First is cutting of vas deferens. Vas deferens are the sperm ducts which carry sperm, and then ligating the ends. Now if we look at the female's reproductive system, then these are two testes. These are present in the pouch which is called scrotum, and from testes the sperms are carried by tubes which are called the Vasa deferens, vas deferens. Now the route of sperm transport is like from the seminiferous tubule. The sperms enter in the rete testis, which is a fine network of tubes. So rete testis. Now rete testis open in the ciliated tubes which are called the vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia leaves the testis and they open into epididymis, where sperms are stored for a brief period of time. Then epididymis open into the vas deferens. So this is the route of sperm transport. Now these vas deferens, they loop over the urinary bladder. So this is urinary bladder which opens into the urethra. This is urethra. Now these open into the urethra, but before joining the urethra, they join with the duct of seminal vesicles, which are the male accessory glands. Here there is prostate gland and these are Cowper's gland. So this is the male urethra. So this is the structure of male's reproductive system. So in this method, what is done, that the vas deferens, here the cuts are given and the ends are tied with the surgical threads. So the sperms cannot now leave the urethra, and the semen is the semen here is not having sperm because the sperms are not carried further, the pathway is blocked. But here the seminal fluid will be released by the seminal vesicles, the prostate glands and Cowper's gland. So there will be the fluid, but there will be no sperms in it. So let's see the options one by one now. No sperms occur in seminal fluid. So this is true because seminal fluid will be secreted by these glands which are the seminal vesicles, prostate and the Cowper's gland. But in the seminal fluid there will be no sperms because the pathway of sperm transport is blocked. So this one is true. The second is no sperms occur in epididymis. So this is not true because in epididymis from vasa efferentia sperms, because sperm formation is there in the testis, so these sperms will enter the epididymis. So this is not true. Then vasa deferentia is cut and tied. So this is not true because this is true because vasa deferentia is cut here and the ends are ligated. So this is also true. Then irreversible sterility. So this is true because I told you that these are the sterilization methods. So there are very few or the nil chances of the reversibility. So this is also true. So the only wrong statement here is option B. So it is the right answer. I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.